Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to tell me what to do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with one of the faves, Myfirstwig, once more. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into our packaging. You know, packaging is usual. And then I have this drawstring bag branded Myfirstwig, which basically has most of the things in there, which we're gonna get into. And I also got this pouch, and that's everything. It's branded Myfirstwig. I always get one of these. Let's see what's inside. I basically got 2 clips, which is great to section your hair off. And I also got a rat tail comb. Love these come in so handy. And then inside of the bag, that's where my wig is at, which we're gonna get into. And then I also got, you know, my information card with all the information about the wig, and I got a pair of wig caps. That's everything that came in today's packaging. Everything is nicely packaged as usual. This is the wig that we're working with for today, guys. This is a gorgeous kinky straight side part glueless invisible lace front wig. They call this the Rashon. That's the name of it. So you guys know that Myfirstwigs, they be having awesome constructed wigs, nicely pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, pre-tinted. You know, it's glueless. Did I mention that? This is also a 13x6. It's 13x6 mostly in the mid portion though, and on the sides it's more narrow. But it is a full-on lace front. But you can get a nice center part or a nice side part within this portion, and that's where you have most of the depth. So inside of the cap also has a total of 3 combs, and there's also this adjustable strap, this elastic band on the inside, which is branded, and you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. The cap construction is pretty standard. As I said, it is pre-plucked. It looks really nice. Like, you see that hairline, it looks really gorgeous, and I love the fact that it is glueless, so you really don't need any adhesive to go ahead and wrap this wig, and I'm gonna show you that today in this installation. Also, this is a invisible melted lace, so that means once you go ahead and apply this, if you wish to use any product, it or not, it can look really nice and seamless once applied. It's very light with the bleached knots. It's not heavily bleached. You can go ahead and part it anywhere, as I mentioned before. It has adjustable straps, and you can also do like a ponytail with this, even though it's not a 360, but you could go ahead and, you know, feel free to put it in a like ponytail if you wish. It's really nice. It's very full. I love the movement of the hair. I love the texture of the hair. It feels very healthy. It gives that natural blowout vibe, and it's a 1B color. So with all of that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into the quick installation. Very beginner friendly, by the way, of this wig. Let's go. So that elastic band on the inside of the cap really helps, because it makes the cap very snug. So for one, that is a great sign, because with glueless wigs, that's one thing you definitely need to look for, how well the wig fits on your head, because that's what's gonna determine you wearing it glueless or not. You know, it needs to be like stable after you apply it. So that's how it looks. It looks so good. Like, they pluck this to perfection. It looks very realistic. I'm loving it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else.
So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove all the excess lace, and on the sides that usually would flap, I'm gonna just apply some of my adhesive, just some spray to lay it down. That's it. So I went ahead and I just sprayed the sides, as you guys saw. So you can see that there's a little bit of cast. So I'm just going to use a little bit more powder to get rid of that cast. And then I'm going to tie it down as if there's any adhesive on it, just to press it into my skin even more. And then we're going to work on just getting it really nice and flat and laid. Let's go. Before I move any further, I just want to show you guys that you could go ahead and part this anywhere that you wish. So within the portion that's 13 by 6, so you see you can get a really nice deep side part. You know, you could do a center part, or you could go ahead and part it on the next side. Looking really good. It looks so realistic, like it looks like scalp. Okay, that looks great. So we're gonna do a side part. So definitely I need to get my hot comb to get this nice and laid.
You're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, you can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed, I'm digging you, you make me believe, your love is one in a million, it goes on and on and on, you give me a really good feeling, oh yeah, your love is one in a million, it goes on and on, you give me a really good feeling, all day long.
So that's how we're looking once I use my hot comb to, you know, get it nice and laid. So what I'm gonna do is run through the wig thoroughly with my flat iron to just, you know, kind of get it a little straighter. So I'm gonna speed through this portion as well.
It's not that I don't want you here, it's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear, I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play, sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you, make a wish away. Really only wanna ride this
guys, I'm all finished. Look at that. Look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. That looks so believable. Absolutely no adhesive. What are you saying? Definitely an invisible melted lace. Like, imagine if you even decide to go ahead and glue this down or just spray down the entire hairline. It's gonna be like, it's definitely coming out of your scalp. It looks so believable. Like, the graduation isn't extremely deep or anything, but it's just like very realistic looking. The texture of the hair as well is giving fresh blowout. The movement is beautiful. You see how full this is to the tip. It is very full. Again, my first wig, they never fail me. Like, I'm pretty confident in the quality of their wigs. They know exactly what they're doing. Like, so convenient, super convenient. Like, what more could you ask for? And it's great quality. I tell you, I have not been getting a lot of shedding. The hair feels amazing. The movement is beautiful. It definitely feel like you're getting your money's worth when you get a wig like this, you know. Yeah, it's really gorgeous. Like, what can I say? They nailed it. Like, look at that. Glueless. It is hitting exactly how it should be. I love it. Like, what more could I ask for? So with that being said, you guys know where to find the direct link to order this wig. It's in my description box, so you can just go down below, get to that link, and you could have this wig for yourself. Also, I'll list all the specifications down there if you're interested. You know, if there's a discount code, one will also be listed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for today's wig look. It's pretty easy, very quick, to the point, very beginner friendly, very beginner friendly. So shout out to my first wig. Y'all did y'all thing. Yes. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.